Hey guys, Jillian here. I am finally coming to you with the Disney Villain ColourPop review. I am so shook at this collection. I mean, every ColourPop collection is super affordable and the color payoff, the quality, the feel of the products are always amazing, but this one just does something to me because we all love a villain, right? We all love a dirty queen. I am so stoked to get right into these products, and I thought that I would just get ready with you. We could do our makeup together. If that's something that you would like to see, then just keep on watching. Okay, so before I get into some of the ColourPop products, I am going to do my face makeup using this primer. This is the Tatcha Silk Canvas primer. You can tell I've loved it because I have used almost the entire thing. I purchased this on kind of a whim because I saw everybody talking about it, and I am a super, like, my skin is super dry all the time, and so I thought that maybe this would be something really good for me that I would enjoy. And you guys, this primer literally feels like God's graces all over your skin. Like, it's crazy. The primer is super, I mean, it's very thick, it's very creamy, and it has this citrusy, I mean, it just smells like a spa. It's amazing. And while I don't think that it necessarily, there are definitely primers that make my makeup perform a little bit better. This one, the way that it makes my skin feel, and it just fills in all of my pores. If I'm trying to have like a dewy makeup day, which is every day, I'm always using this primer, and I really, really like it. I will probably repurchase this guy. Also, look how cute my little kitty is sleeping right there. Oh my gosh, bonding time. I found the Duo from Heaven. Ugh, if you like a really dewy, glowy makeup base, you need to try this little combination. This is the Revlon Candid Natural Finish Foundation, and then the L'Oreal Lumi Glow Drops. I'm getting a phone call.
Casey, you're calling me in the middle of a
This is in shade Daybreak, and then I am using shade 340 in the Candid foundation. I just mix these two together. It's so good. I'm going to use my Morphe brush. This is M444. Okay, and once I've gotten that all blended onto my face, it is such a glowy base. Like, this is really glowy, and for a lot of people, this might be like, oh my God, really overkill. For me, I'm living my best life. For concealer, I'm going to use literally the last bit of this that I have. It is the, oh. That was like, it is the Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline. And what I've been doing is I just put a little bit of this underneath my eyes, tapping that in with my beauty blender. This is the Wet n Wild Beauty Sponge. Oh my gosh, this thing is the cheapest beauty sponge on the market almost. I think this was $3. It's amazing. I was shook because I have tried so many different beauty sponges from the drugstore, and when I tried this for the first time, I was like, oh my gosh, you're literally a godsend. What I do after I apply my concealer is just put a little bit of the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder on my eyes just to set the concealer and make sure that nothing's moving around. And then y'all are going to die. I take these Lumi drops again. I know, you're like, girl, put those down. I take these Lumi drops again, and all I do is 2 little dots right underneath my eyes where I put my concealer. I'll tap that in. And to me, it just reflects the light so beautifully underneath that under eye. And I feel like I look like a little bit of a beach goddess. I might also look ridiculous. Let me know in the comments, but
I really like it. I think I look like I'm just like got out of a pool in a sci-fi movie.
I can't stop.
I can't stop.
And I am just going to fill in my brows with, oh my gosh, this packaging has seen better days. This is just the Benefit Give Me Brow Gel in shade 4. I wanted to show you the villain collection that I chose. Each collection comes with a lipstick, lip gloss, and a highlighter. And that's the easy part. The hardest task of my entire life was trying to decide which villain to go with, because I wanted to buy a couple more things from ColourPop that day, and I knew I couldn't buy every single collection. So after a lot of thought, time, and prayer, I chose the Evil Queen collection. The packaging is so super cute. It looks like a neon sign, and for whatever, you know, villain you choose, their pictures on the front. It has your highlighter, lipstick, and lip gloss. I have already been using this lip gloss like crazy because it is so yummy. I have not tried these two items yet, so I'm really excited to try those on camera. The other thing that I got that was part of the villain collection, and probably the best. If you were going to buy anything related on the ColourPop villain collection, you have to try these. They are amazing. They're these little Jelly Much shadows, and the names are all so stinking cute and Disney perfect. This one is actually from the Sleeping Beauty collection. Side note, the Jelly Much shadows you can buy separately, and you don't have to just stick to one collection. I got one from the Cruella de Vil collection, one from the Maleficent collection, and then I think the other one is from the Evil Queen. This one's called Spindle. They come in these cute little boxes and neon packaging on the inside. The jars are really nice. They're plastic, but they're really heavy duty. I have 3 of these that I bought, and I'm like throwing these around as you've seen the other products that I've used today, and they hold up really well. It comes with the little topper. They keep your jelly shadows feeling wet and not crusty, so definitely keep these little guys just to preserve your shadows. And I actually haven't used this one yet. I'm like waiting for the perfect occasion. This one is the most perfect purple color. Again, this one was Spindle from the Maleficent collection. I have 2 more. I'll show you one that I love, and then I'll save my favorite for last. This one is from the Evil Queen collection. It's called Cursed. I am obsessed. This is a true gold. Like, it does not get any more gold than this. Y'all. Oh my God. It's so good. And these, I'll show you the consistency when I put them on my eyes. They have the most amazing creamy jelly-like consistency, and they go on your eye like a dream. I'm gonna show you my favorite one. This one is from the Cruella de Vil collection. Cruella de Vil was like my least favorite villain growing up. I hated her because, you know, normally with some Disney villains you kind of like low-key like them. Like Ursula, I hated Ursula, but like I thought she was great at the same time. Cruella de Vil, because I think I just love dogs so much. Oh gosh, I couldn't stand her. But her Jelly Much shadow is my favorite one out of the entire lot. This is a champagne. Like, this is a true champagne colored, shimmery, beautiful. It's glittery. It's got so much dimension. You will see when I put this on my eye. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite eye product that I've gotten in a really long time. This one, again, is called Perfectly Wretched. Oh, it's so good. So the best way to apply these shadows for me is to use my finger. You can definitely use a brush, but I just prefer using my hands. And this is one of those shadows, it has, the glitter is so fine that it's not chunky, so it doesn't look costumey. It really just looks like a beautiful metallic eye. Now I'm going to go in with Cursed. I think I just want to take this one and put it like on the exterior parts of my eye. I'm just going to swatch Spindle on my arm so that you can see what it looks like on. Spindle. Oh my gosh, so pretty. This one is Cursed. and then Perfectly Wretched, which is my favorite here. So that's the 3. So pretty. Just open up my eye a little bit. I'm taking this eyeliner that I got in my Birchbox. It is called Aero Enhance, and it's a waterproof liner, and it just gives so much light to the eyes. Throw on a little bit of my Flower Beauty mascara that has seen better days, and I'll be right back. I am just going to bronze up my face with my favorite summertime bronzer. Oh my gosh. And I feel like the name on this is very misleading. This is a Bare Minerals bronzer in the shade Blush Pearl, which doesn't sound like a bronzer at all, but it's gorgeous. It is a very rosy looking bronze that has quite a bit of shimmer to it. So this is definitely exclusively my summer bronzer. And I love that this formula is so blendable and creamy that you can really just like slap it on and not worry about it. This has been one of my favorite blushes for summer. This is the Milani Baked Blush in shade Dolce Pink, or Dulce Pink. Dolce Pink? Dulce Pink? Oh my gosh, can you tell I'm from the South? Oh, it's so embarrassing. I love it because it is the most beautiful, deep pink. Like, this is a fuchsia, and it has that little mineral swirl in there, which makes it so glowy, as if I needed one more glowy product to my face. So my sister just had the most precious little baby boy ever. Oh my gosh. I'll insert a picture of him here. And we loved it because when you're pregnant, you have that excuse like, oh, I'm eating for 2. And so my sister was like, I just get to eat, you know, whatever I want and have an excuse. I feel like that is my summer ritual for makeup. It's like, I just use every glowy, shimmery product that I can, and my excuse is,
But it's summer.
so I'm just tapping a little bit of this onto my brush. It is very pigmented, so I just always usually tap off a little bit of the excess. Sometimes kind of do that. And then I'm just topping this right on top of my cheekbones, and it just gives the most beautiful flush of color. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And now, getting into the collection. Okay, so I am just going to pop this highlight out. Aww, it's so pretty. Okay, so this highlight looks like a very golden highlight, which I remember when I ordered this was one of the main reasons that I ordered the Evil Queen collection, because I'm running low on my favorite gold highlight of all time, Whisper of Guilt by MAC. This one is called Fairest of All. It's a large size too, like you get a really good amount. And then look at that mirror. I'm going to take my fan brush, just apply a little bit of that to the cheeks. Let's see how it goes. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, that's so pretty. It's very, very golden, and it's a deep gold, so if you're very fair, this may not be the most flattering shade because it might look a little muddy, but if you've got a little bit of a tan, look at that. That's so pretty. I don't know why. I love a gold highlight. Like, gold highlights are my jam. They're my favorite. And I had a little bit of kickback, but not a lot. That's refreshing. Oh my God. I am like glowing to the heavens, and I would like to say that I'm just gonna like mute it with my beauty blender. I'm not gonna. Again, it's summer.
Oh, it's summer. It's summer.
I just woke up my cat. Sorry, Tootie. Next, I'm gonna go in with the lip products. The lipstick is called Evil Queen Fitting, and it says that it is a matte lipstick. Ooh, that is like very deep. That is a deep, juicy, succulent red. I'm so excited for that. I mean, like I kind of said in the beginning, I've already worn this gloss 1,000,001 times. That's why the villain's writing is almost off of it at this point. This one is called Bad Apple, and it is the most beautiful juicy red gloss. I will put this one on first just so you can see what the gloss looks like by itself. Isn't that so pretty? I've honestly just been wearing this by itself a lot because it has a perfect amount of tint. It's not opaque, but it is that red hue. And it also has a little bit of shimmer in it, which you can kind of tell, but again, it doesn't look like glitter. I would wear this on the beach with a little bit of mascara and be good to go. This is bomb. I love this gloss. I've wiped the gloss off and now I'm just going to try a little bit of this lipstick. I am so excited because I have not allowed myself to try this yet. So here we go. Whoa. Whoa, it's so bright. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is like a date night lip. This is the kind of lip that you want to wear when you're trying to like impress somebody or impress yourself. And it makes your teeth look white. What a bonus. And it is a really comfortable formula. Like I could wear this all day. It doesn't feel super drying. Let's put a little bit of the gloss on top. Again, the gloss is Bad Apple. You can buy all of these in the collection. You can also buy them separately. So if you just see some things that you like and you want to try to just get a couple of them on their own, you can totally do that. You won't save as much money, but these products are so cheap that it really doesn't matter. Talk about some juicy lips. I'm sorry, I was looking at myself in the viewfinder. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Okay, so good. Evil Queen, Bad Apple. Okay, so final thoughts. This collection is amazing. Oh my gosh, these products feel so luxurious on my skin. The color payoff is so beautiful. I'm looking at my lips in the viewfinder and I'm like, everyone needs to go out and get this lip combination. Like if you don't buy anything else from this ColourPop collection, get the lipstick, get the lip gloss, get one of these Jelly Mutt shadows, and then go to the grocery store and live your best life. Like seriously, so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will be sure to link all of the ColourPop products that I used in the description box so that you can try them out if you would like. And if you haven't yet, please do hit that subscribe button if you would like to see more videos like this. I would love to have you and keep seeing you around. Thank y'all so much for watching and I hope you have a great day.